Did you know that Litecoin, often overshadowed by its big brother Bitcoin, was actually one of the first cryptocurrencies to hit the scene? That's right, folks. Litecoin, this underdog of the crypto world, was born in the year 2011, just 2 years after Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is undoubtedly the star of the show, it's worth noting that Litecoin has been quietly working behind the scenes, carving its own path in the vast crypto universe. Now you might be thinking, but isn't Litecoin just a Bitcoin copycat? Well, it's not as simple as that. Litecoin, though inspired by Bitcoin, has its own unique features that set it apart. It's like comparing an apple to an orange. Both are fruits, but they're not exactly the same, are they? So the next time someone tells you Litecoin is just a Bitcoin wannabe, remind them who came first. And oh, don't forget to mention the unexpected power of Litecoin. Now that we've established Litecoin's place in the crypto family tree, let's dig a little deeper into what makes it tick. Picture Litecoin as the younger, sportier sibling of Bitcoin. Both are decentralized digital currencies, but Litecoin was designed to improve upon Bitcoin's technology. Think of it as the Bitcoin 2.0, or the light version if you will. But don't let the light tag fool you. This crypto has some serious tech under the hood. So what sets Litecoin apart? Well, two things primarily: speed and scalability. Let's talk speed first. In the world of cryptocurrencies, speed is of the essence. Transactions need to be verified and added to the blockchain, and this process takes time. Bitcoin takes about 10 minutes to confirm a transaction. Litecoin, on the other hand, is a speed demon, confirming transactions in a swift 2.5 minutes. Now, that's what you call lightning fast. But speed isn't everything. What good is a sports car if it can only carry one passenger at a time, right? This is where scalability comes into play. Litecoin can handle a higher volume of transactions thanks to its faster block generation speed. This means that as more people start using the currency, Litecoin's network won't get bogged down. Instead, it'll zip along, handling transactions with ease. Litecoin's technology also includes a different hashing algorithm. While Bitcoin uses the SHA-256 hashing algorithm, Litecoin uses script. Without getting too technical, script is generally considered to be a memory-hard problem, meaning it requires more memory to solve. This feature makes Litecoin's network more secure and less susceptible to attacks. In a world where cryptocurrencies can often feel like they're all bark and no bite, Litecoin stands out. It doesn't just promise to change the world, it has the technological prowess to actually do it. In a nutshell, Litecoin is like that sports car that doesn't just look sleek, it also has the horsepower to back it up. Alright, so you're probably wondering, how do I get my hands on some Litecoin? Well, the process isn't as cryptic as it may sound. In fact, it's as easy as pie, or should I say as easy as pie cryptocurrency. Just kidding, let's stick with Litecoin for now. First things first, you need to have a digital wallet. A digital wallet is like your personal bank account, but in the digital world. It's where you'll store your Litecoin once you've purchased it. There are numerous options available, from online wallets to software wallets, and even hardware wallets for those who prefer an extra layer of security. Remember, just as you wouldn't leave your physical wallet lying around, you don't want to be careless with your digital one. Next up is finding a cryptocurrency exchange. This is essentially your digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, or trade Litecoin. There are a multitude of platforms out there, each with their own fees, security measures, and user interfaces. Some of the popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. It's like a smorgasbord of crypto exchanges, so pick the one that suits your palate. Once you've selected your exchange, you'll need to create an account. This involves providing some personal information and going through a verification process. It's a bit like going on a first date, they want to know you're legit. Once all that's done, you're ready to make your purchase. Now, before you go on a shopping spree, it's important to remember that the value of Litecoin, like many cryptocurrencies, can fluctuate quite drastically. It's a bit like riding a roller coaster, only this ride could affect your wallet. So make sure you're comfortable with the potential ups and downs before you dive in. Lastly, once you've purchased your Litecoin, transfer it to your digital wallet for safekeeping. This is a crucial step. Leaving your Litecoin on an exchange is like leaving your car keys in the ignition. Anyone could take it for a spin. Remember, with great Litecoin ownership comes great responsibility, so be sure to keep your digital wallet safe. So, what does the future hold for Litecoin? As we venture into the uncharted territories of the digital age, Litecoin appears to be on the cusp of some exciting developments. One of the most promising aspects of Litecoin is its potential for scalability. Litecoin's blockchain is capable of handling higher transaction volumes than its counterpart, Bitcoin. This is due to the network's frequent block generation, which allows the network to process a higher number of transactions. Therefore, as we push forward into a future where digital transactions may become the norm, Litecoin could potentially play a significant role in facilitating these transactions. Moreover, Litecoin has been gradually gaining acceptance among merchants for everyday transactions. From online retailers to coffee shops, more and more businesses are opening their doors to Litecoin. This trend is likely to continue as crypto becomes more mainstream and people look for faster, cheaper, and more secure ways to pay for goods and services. Let's not forget about the potential partnerships on the horizon. While we can't predict specifics, the future of Litecoin could see collaborations that leverage its speed and affordability to revolutionize various sectors, from e-commerce to digital gaming and beyond. In the end, the future of Litecoin, like all cryptocurrencies, is tied to its adoption, technological advancements, and how it adapts to the ever-evolving digital landscape. Only time will tell what the future holds for Litecoin, but one thing's for sure, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Well, that's a wrap on our Litecoin 101 session. We've explored the unexpected power of Litecoin, delved into its nitty-gritty details, learned how to get our hands on it, and peeked into the crystal ball at its future. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, you're one step closer to becoming a crypto enthusiast. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with all things crypto, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And remember, the world of crypto waits for no one, so stay informed and stay ahead.